next generation leading men natin eh. How was it? Let's start with, of course, Joseph Marco. Joseph! Kamusta? Medyo... When was the last time na umere yung last episode mo, Joseph?
What do you mean, last episode?
Di ba you died?
I think it was...
Huh?
You can never tell! Malay mo naman, di ba?
Nakita na kanina eh.
I know.
May spoiler na.
I know. Joseph, how was the PPP journey? 6 months!
Wow, so much takeaway, you know, sa show na to. You know, especially the growth, you know, as an actor. Kasi right now, I've been with ABS for the past 13 years.
And, 13 years, wow.
You know what I've realized is that at this point, you cannot just think about yourself and your performance. You're on that level where you're gonna have to help the new ones.
Totoo.
You know,
Thank you.
Silang tutukan.
I know.
Yeah, kasi hindi mo makakontrol. If you see something na medyo, alam mo yun, na mga mali mo in the past, you don't want them to repeat that. So, you know, that's a different responsibility. And yeah, it's such a pleasure working with Derek Dig and Derek Raymond again. Kasi, you know, while I was doing Wildflower with Derek Raymond, he would always give me advice, you know, try to correct me. But this time, he's like, Joseph, kaya mo na yan, ito na bahala. It's just, you know, it's malaking bagay yun sa actor kasi he gives so much confidence. And yeah, and working with, especially yung mga naka-eksena ko madalas, si Charlie and si Miss Cookie, such a pleasure working with them. You know, I love working with great talents and they're such hardworking, you know, like mga eksena namin talagang inuupuan namin bago namin i-take. And yeah, working with them, it's amazing. And of course, the rest of the cast.
Actually, Joseph, you've worked with the best, with the Maricel, with the Judy, Iza, with the Coco Martin and all. So medyo parang kumukuya ka na nga talaga dito na malaking pwede mong ibigay for them, di ba?
Yeah, just very thankful for ABS-CBN Studios and of course to Dreamscape family and TV5 for, you know, this opportunity. And you know, patuloy silang nagtitiwala sa akin and I'm blessed and thankful.
Of course, thank you for always saying yes. Ronnie! Prepare ka na for medyo umaksyon ka dito, di ba? How was it? 6 months of
6 months,
doing...
ang hirap mong sundan. Ang ganda mo sumagot. Siyempre ako, ganito lang. Tamang chill lang. Sa 6 months po na ganun trabaho, sobrang, kagaya nga po na sinabi ko kanina, sobrang na-enjoy ko tong show na to. Siyempre, sa tulong din ni Derek Raymond, ni Derek Dick na talagang tinutukan ako pagka medyo lumalaya yung atake ko. And naging madali din kasi parang family na din talaga yung lahat ng artista dito sa PPP eh. Kaya hindi ako ganun katakot magbigay, gumalaw, and ayun, sumatotal po, sobrang na-enjoy ko tong PPP. And feeling ko, ito yung pinakamagandang show na nagganapan ko. So, ayun.
Wow.
Ito yung pinaka na-enjoy ko sa lahat na ginawa.
Kasi you keep improving nga, di ba? So, di ba, from TGD,
Yes.
the Goods... Tama na? Goods Son?
Hindi.
Sorry.
The General's Daughter, Loving You, Loving 40 Days. And
Tama naman. This is your most challenging.
Yes, opo. Ito yung pinakakakaiba sa lahat.
Kids!
Yes po. Well, first, I'd just like to say thank you so much, Dreamscape, TV5, ABS-CBN Studios for the opportunity that was given to me. And the fact that they trusted me kahit baguhan lang po ako sa acting, especially drama acting. They trusted me with this project and I'm very thankful. And of course, sa totoo lang, hindi ko po sinasabi, pero I look up to every single one of the castmates here. I learn so much from every single one of them. Every time na kinakausap ko sila or ka-eksena ko sila, I observe how they act, I observe how they play with the camera, and I take note of it because it's just so humbling to be a part of this.
Kasi week 1 pa lang, kita cookie mo na ka-eksena.
Oh,
And challenging yun.
Very, very challenging. Of course, being in scenes with also si Kuya Joseph
Kuya,
Marco,
oo.
na-intimidate talaga ako. Kasi yung La Madrid family, grabe yung cast ng yung cast na yan eh.
Intimidating kasi yung characters ng The Madrid family, di ba?
Opo, very very intimidating. Mayaman, very put together, at kailangan
Pero ikaw yung heart ng family, alam mo yun?
yes, opo, and I'm very proud to be that. I'll always be proud of the character I portrayed.
Pero sa ABP, sinumbatan mo yung mama, no?
Opo.
Looking forward to that.
Thank you po.
Alright. Bago ko ibigay kay Justin, todo ka na, I'd like to start, I'd like to ask din siyempre si Hashna, ano ba ito? Nakalimutan ko na. Si Hashna, si Argel, tsaka si Kobe, and Kate. How was it? 6 months ng work, wow! Alam ko naman, you were positioned sa roles nyo dahil you were the best doing that role. Starting off with Argel. Jelnak, medyo 6 months of working with the greats.
Yun nga po, sa simula kasi, nahihiya talaga ako sa nilang lahat. Tapos, na-intimidate din ako pag mga ka-eksena ko sila.
Sino yung senior na most pinaka na-intimidate ka?
Si Kuya Ebi po.
Oo naman. Boses pa lang.
Oo. Kasi may eksena kami na ini-interview namin siya. Tapos,
Huhulihin niyo siya niya dahil
sinigaw siya, nagulat talaga ako. Parang, ay, mali. Pero si Kuya Ebi po talaga yung pinaka-intimidate. At nung tumagal, naging close naman kami na, ayun, puro tawanan kami sa eksena. Pero masaya yung nagawa ko.
But Kuya Ebi is a very generous actor, di ba? Bibigyan ka niya ng your way and then adjust ako, parang ganun ba yun?
Opo, tsaka nagbibigay din siya sa amin ng mga advice, ganyan, pag nasa tent kami, kasi kami nag-uusap doon. So meron din po kaming nakuhang mga knowledge sa kanya.
Alright, thank you, Arjun. Kate! Busy rin yung brother mo, ha? You're on, nak.
Ako lang po, I just wanted to share, no? It was such a privilege for me to witness every single character here. Kasi hindi parang uso dito na good ka lang or bad eh. The theme that I saw in this series was hurt people. So justified lahat na pati si Osan, hindi naman talaga siya masama, nasaktan lang siya, that's why she's able to do these things. So as the best friend of Charlie here and as a supporting character, I get to witness the character's journey. And I get to share that with them. So hindi ko naman naiiyak.
Nag-relevance na.
Sobrang, hindi ko naman naiiyak namin. Ang galing mo journey nila as actors. It was such a privilege for me to watch it. And I'm getting so emotional about it because they did such a good job.
You also did, of course, kaya andyan ka eh.
No, but I feel so privileged that this is my job. And I get to work with the actors like this every day. Cut na po ba?
No. Patuloyin mo daw, Tapos, yeah. Love
Ayun
you,
po. So
Kate.
thank you po talaga sa ABS-CBN Studios and sa TV5 and of course sa Mr. Deo and everybody and the writers po for making me a part of this.
Nasa DNA niyo ang mahusay, no? Your brother is doing great as well.
I'm very, very proud of him.
I know.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kate. Kobe! Ayan, si Kobe. Kobe ba? Kobe. Tama naman, no?
Yes.
Alright. Kamusta? Prior to this, alam naman namin mahusay ka and you delivered well in your role. How was it portraying one of the friends nga ni Ronnie and Arjel?
Honestly, nung umpisa, kabahan din talaga ako when it comes to doing scenes kasi nga it's no secret naman na this is my first project and also for the longest time I've been looking up to these people, I've been watching them, idolizing them.
Like who? Share.
Siyempre, R2.
Talaga, R2 alam na.
Arto talaga eh.
You know what to do,
Kaibigan ko talaga to. Arto talaga tao.
Close. Go ahead na.
Ayun, and really grateful na I've been given the chance to finally work with them. And going back to what I said earlier, yun nga, kinakabahan ako kasi nga parang I feel like I don't belong di ba? Pero thank you to everyone kasi naramdaman